Do you have any fond memories of your grandmothers, maybe your great-grandmothers, or even your mothers wearing an apron? I'm Larissa at Prodigal Pieces, and I'm here to show you a new group we're launching called Reduce, Reuse, Refashion. And the whole idea is to make use of things maybe in a different way. I can show you some examples on my blog how I've repurposed different items, and I'm going to continue that today along with my friends listed below. From She Holds Dearly, we have Sarah. From Boxwood Avenue, we have Chloe. From Farmhouse on Boone, we have Lisa. And also Sarah from Rocky Hedge Farm. So be sure to check the link below to head to the blog to see all their projects. I'll also have links to their video if that's applicable as well. But the whole idea today is to talk about this apron. Many things happened with the apron back in the day. They were made to either suit your fashion if you're having a formal party or get together entertaining, but for the average everyday mom, they were pretty much the workhorse. They suited as a hanky, wiping tears for little ones. They suited as a quick dust cloth if company was coming over. They carry in eggs from the hen house. They would carry in produce or our goods from the vegetable garden. So many things, and I really enjoy my collection. I have a vintage collection, but I also like to make them myself. And my daughters, I have 4 of them. I also enjoy wearing them too, and my sons who wear a different style work apron. But we all enjoy having the aprons, and I have a little one who hasn't had one of her own yet and would like to have one. So we're gonna work on that today. Here she is. What do you think? We're going to make you an apron, and we're going to use this vintage embroidery that I love to pick up at the garage sales, especially church sales. It's got some very pretty embroidery. And in one of my recent posts, I showed you how I took some linen skirts I had and just wanted to create something with them because they didn't fit me or the style wasn't quite my style. And I have a scrap left that's perfect that I can cut down, add some embellishments to make an apron. And I have this extra fabric here that a friend gave me from her yard goods that she was no longer needing. So with all this together, we're going to show you how to make an adorable apron with or without the vintage embroidery, but that's a bonus. It's an extra fun, but I hope you have some fun and join us. Again, the full tutorial will be over on the blog. Come see us, come say hi. Okay, so what I got here I showed you was a scrap of the linen skirt that I had from those lunch bags. And honestly, I'm amazed it's just the right size. I didn't know that it would be, and I was super stoked to find that it was. But I will be putting on the vintage linen here on the front, kind of like an apron on an apron. But what I need to do is, first, I measured my daughter. There's these pieces here on the skirt from when I cut it apart. That's where the seam was. I'm going to trim that off real quick. As you can see, this is my skirt size, and it's already trimmed up at the top with a bias trim. If that wasn't the case and you were just using some regular fabric, you would basically just add an extra inch, fold in a half, and fold in a ½ inch again, stitch it down, and then you got that done. Or if you wanted to have a gathered edge, you would just run a running stitch here, gather it, and put maybe a bias tape or some sort of ribbon across the top there. Many ways you can go with this. But what I'm going to be doing, as you can see, I created my straps here. I just measure her and add enough to make a bow. This is a 4-inch piece that I've ironed down here on the end. Then I fold it in once and then fold it in again. I'm going to do a basic stitch just down and around and up, and then I'll be attaching them here on the inside of the apron. So also the next thing I need to do is figure out the length. Again, I just using my daughter as an example since this is to suit her. It was roughly 14 inches was the goal I was after. So in order to make that hem there, I'm going to be doing an extra 2 inches so I can hem it in an inch and fold it in an inch and again. So I'm just going to eyeball it because I will be ironing and making this look nice and crisp. There we go. And I definitely saved the scraps for another use later. All right. Okay, so what I need to do next is I will be going to my iron, and I'll be folding this in not once but twice on this side. And then again at the bottom, giving it a bit of an extra hem. Then I'll be going down and stitching around, and I will show you the finished result here in a minute. Okay, so I mentioned I'm just going to be doing a basic stitch around. I might do a double stitch if it doesn't lay quite flat, just to make it look nice and finished. Then you'll see me adding in the straps and then adding on the embroidery. Okay, so one pass would all it take to just get that finished edge. Linen is so nice to work with, it lays well. So I'm going to be adding the straps in and then the applique. You might be wondering why I'm not pinning. Most often I do, and I'm really particular, but since this is for my little girl, it's kind of relaxed. But I also, because of the ironing, that totally makes it so I don't have to pin as much. Really, it's just all about what you're comfortable with. So if you want to use pins or clips, I use those too. Feel free. So there we have it, it's all done. I put this on here. She had requested a pocket, but honestly, if I would have left this as a pocket here, it would have sagged open, kind of like a kangaroo pouch. So I just decided to put it on. When she's a little bigger, we'll make a different one and add pockets for that. Straps are here, but really I could have added a ruffle, debated on that, but I wanted to keep this super simple for you to understand. But really a ruffle would be easy to add. You could add anything to this, just showing you the back. So you can see how it's all assembled. I just basically put it on there, hemmed. Really you can't get much easier than that. So it's time to show my daughter what we did here and see what she thinks. What do you think? All right, let's try it on. Turn around. Sorry. There you go. Yay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. We had fun, didn't we? Yeah. Come on over to the blog, prodigalpieces.com. Sign up for my newsletter. We'll have more on the way. And again, come see our reduce, reuse, refashion fun that we're having just to share with you, inspire you, and also sign up below. I'd love to have you see what else I have for you here on YouTube, and also leave me a comment. so my little girl and I can see that you liked what we did for you. Until next time, bye!